Fast chop, I wash these potatoes. Couple potatoes. I know my way is a little weird, but some onion. I just cut chunks off it. Creole seasoning, olive oil, and that is a foil pack. So my Walmart stop today included hamburger. I wanted some hamburger, and we're gonna doctor it, right? Onion steakhouse, sriracha. So something you gotta know, you know, when I cook this stuff, there's a lot of other stuff I'd like to cook too, you know, but you got two things. You're dealing with a limited space in this tiny RV refrigerator, and I try to buy vegetables. I was actually looking for farmers market and fresh stuff and local, and I couldn't find any of that stuff. So I tend to buy things that I get to use for a few different meals, you know. So there we go. There's that hamburger mixed up. See, I got the stuff pressed out. And we gotta spray it with Pam to make it somewhat possible to get stuff out of there. I got ahead of myself. We'll go over here. Alright, I'm going to chop off some more of the onion. Come on, everything. I think sometimes if you guys knew what I was trying to deal with when I'm cooking, I surprise myself sometimes that I keep bothering cooking. But I like it. And I got a couple of these little bitty peppers. I'm gonna do 2 of them. I just bought vegetables that I knew I could use for a few different things. A lot of times I don't bother showing when I do hamburgers or brats and stuff like that, but I was in a hamburger mood. Some of that, some of the peppers. We got some Colby Jack. Thought I could get 3 burgers, but it looks like it's gonna be 2. Peppers, onions. So we got 2 stuffed burgers. And Montreal steak too. Okay. Coming along. Alright, I took the corn off. I'll put some onions and peppers right on the burger. Now we also have, I put some butter and garlic powder on the buns. Put them on there just for a minute. Doesn't that look good? Did I mention it's hot? It's very hot. Sriracha, smiley face. I'm gonna do the corn in a minute when it's cooled. First we're gonna taste potatoes. Potatoes came out good. Now let's do this big juicy burger. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Oh yeah. Alright, YouTubers. That's pretty darn good. I was craving a burger. A messy burger stuffed with onions, mini peppers, cheese. Great stuff. Have a great and wonderful day.